What you see here is a web browser. I'm using Firefox from Mozilla. Other popular web browsers include Chrome from Google, Internet Explorer from Microsoft, and Safari from Apple, amongst others. If I were to define a web browser, I can say a web browser is a software application that can access, present, and traverse through resources from the web. Today, web browsers can not only display text, but also rich multimedia applications such as high quality pictures, audio, video, and flash based content. Let me start off this video with typing in a set of numbers. So I'm typing in 173.194.34.56. Let me hit enter. Surprised? We landed up at Google. Now how did that happen? Well, every machine connected to the internet is identified by a unique address comprising a series of 4 sets of numbers as shown. Each set can be up to 3 digits long. This unique address is known as the IP address or the Internet Protocol address. Well, so far so good, right? But can you really remember the IP address of every website you use frequently? You would have to carry an internet address book with you at all times, wouldn't you? But thankfully, there is no real need to do that. So let's just, instead of typing in this series of numbers, type google.co.in and hit enter. Well, we've landed up at the same page. So how does this work? The DNS or domain name server comes in here. Think of the DNS as a phone book. As soon as you type in google.co.in, the DNS is looked up, google.co.in is mapped to its IP address, and your request is routed to the correct machine. The string google.co.in is called the URL or Uniform Resource Locator. So we humans deal with URLs, and the internet converts a URL to an IP address for our benefit. Great. Now what happens when you type in google.co.in as we've done here and hit enter? Here you are a client. By hitting enter, you are sending a request. This request is mapped to the correct IP address by the DNS and sent to the machine which is identified with the mapped IP address. That machine is called a server. The server receives your request, takes note of the fact that you are using the web, specified by the HTTP string, and sends back this web page as its response.